Max's family.
My family isn't very big. I have a brother, Jacob. He's 25. And a sister, Lily. She's 18. They're not married. I'm married. My wife's name is Michelle. We have 2 children, a daughter, Sophie. That's Sophie. She's 4. And a son, Sam. He's only 6 months old. We live near my parents. My dad's name is Tom, and my mum's name is Nicole. That's Nicole. She's French. My grandmother lives with them. Her name's Claire. She's my dad's mum.
James Stewart, fireman.
James, 26, is a fireman. He comes from Scotland, but now he lives in Sussex, England. He works at a small fire station near Brighton. James drives the fire engines. He works 10 days a month. He's at work for 24 hours, and then he has 48 hours off. It's a difficult job, but he likes it. He's married with 2 children, and on his free days he takes Lara, 6, to school and enjoys playing with Max, 4. He also goes to the gym and he plays snooker.
Maggie Howell, zoologist.
Maggie, 45, is a zoologist. She studies wolves, and she's the director of the Wolf Conservation Center in New York State. She lives in Connecticut and works with her husband, Spencer. Maggie also visits schools and teaches children about wolves. She works 5 days a week, but she goes to the Wolf Center on Sundays too, because she likes it there. In her free time, she reads a lot and watches TV with her daughter, Eleanor. She also plays tennis and walks their dog, Drew.